So guys, now let's see under the hood to see what is more in this box. You can see it's connected to ground. You can see here even a sensor that is clamped here. Let me remove it. So this is the sensor. Well, let's open up this unit. But before that, I want to show you this here. That is LED monitor that shows the temperature. You see here is connected with a connector. You can see this motor here, so it may have a 12-volt transformer inside. Well, let's open even more. So guys, you can see here I'm noticing a motor here. Let me just a second so you can see it. Let me open further. As I was telling you, I see here a transformer, so it could be the step down transformer, 12-volt transformer. Let me see it here. It doesn't have something specification, but I will notice here. Well, let me investigate more. So guys, I have removed this water cooling or gas cooling, in fact, because this is used for air conditioning, but I will use it for water cooling in my projects. Let's focus here in this motor. Let me focus a little. So you can see here how it's connected. It's 220 to 240 volts, 20 watt, 0.33 amps, and you can see the connection here. Well guys, let's see even more here. Let's open up further. You can see here in the motor a screw that disconnects the motor from this shaft. Let me turn on the lights. You can see this connection here. If I remove this, the motor gets out easily. So you can see guys, it have also a current transformer with a turn going into this ferrite transformer that goes to the next unit. Well guys, those were what I have recycled by collecting stuff from an air conditioning unit, that is indoor unit. Well guys, have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. Bye guys, stay safe.